As companies are looking to report their environmental and social governance activities, we're seeing more and more now our clients are looking to decommission in an ethical and efficient way.
The world is grappling with climate change, resource scarcity and increasing problems related to waste and pollution. Australian businesses are providing technologies and know-how that are helping other companies and governments to achieve their net zero and green economy ambitions.
That's opening up more opportunities for Liberty Industrial and other companies like Liberty Industrial to provide ethical solutions for the end-of-life assets. Decommissioning is an important step in the transition to net zero and is quite a big opportunity with the volume of work that's coming forward. Our first export opportunity was the Northern Producer project in the northeast of Scotland, decommissioning and recycling and repurposing these assets in the most succinct way.
Austrade's global network of trade professionals provide Australian exporters with advice, connections and support to help them understand opportunities for their business across different markets.
The success of the Northern Producer project for Liberty Industrial has been a really good stepping stone for us to then leverage into markets in Europe and North America. Austrade has been pivotal in our export to the UK and our expansion into Europe as well, putting us in touch with the right people for reverse investment opportunities, understanding the markets that we're moving into and building a business case behind it, exposing us to opportunities within the countries that we're moving into as well. I'd advise other Australian companies that are looking to expand into the green economy globally to understand the skill sets that they offer in that market and then engage with Austrade to understand the opportunities moving forward in the global market.